And had you set to record by that time, Michael? Okay, don't hurt yourself. This is our long 5 to 6 hour adventure today to get this train for free because I'm a Craigslist junkie. You like it?
Yeah.
Are we going to sleep in our own bed now? Not on my couch? Keeping me up till 1 a.m. while I'm trying to do overviews? Huh?
I can't find his Thomas Penalty.
Okay, we'll find it. What do you think, Sebastian?
My drink goes on the choo-choo train.
Yeah? How did the choo-choo train go?
To sleep. On this one.
Yeah? What does the choo-choo train say? Go, Paisley. It's not all about you. What do you think?
The bed fell out.
You have to get it back and get your jammies on, and then we can, you can try it out. See, and you got a little toy box on the end.
And I'm gonna go poop.
Well, if that's what you gotta do, then you gotta do what you gotta do.
Go poop.
You like it?
Yeah. I love my choo-choo train bed.
Very good.